Okay, you can go now.
Okay. So the course, the demandplanning.net course was a very good value for me. There were a lot of concepts explained, some of which I knew, others which aren't as applicable in my job right now. But if I want to expand as a demand planner, then I need to know them. One thing I appreciated was the explanation of different forecast models and how to decompose different structures in a forecast model and how to understand them in an easy way. So some of these concepts were difficult for me to understand before, but this course made it much clearer. So overall, this was a very good value and good use of my time.
Yeah.
Okay, you're good.
Well, demand planning for sales and operation planning was a very truly exciting workshop. It was amazing because we have a very good trainer, full with a very good track record. So I had the chance to attend some previous class, but this one is definitely different because it was much more practical. I liked the exercises that we did, and they were really detailed. So, well, I recommend this strongly to everybody who want to have further knowledge and strong knowledge in demand planning. Well, that's all. Thank you.
Okay.